Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a blog website in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new page containing your website, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above, then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In this new page containing the settings, click on a website from the left panel, then click on New Website up here. This pop-up will appear prompting you to name your website and to set your preferred languages. After that, click on Create right here. Next, Odoo will have some prompts for you, and once you're ready, click on Let's Do It right here. In here, you're going to choose the kind of website you want to build, choose what you want to use it for, and select your main objective for that website. Next, Odoo will ask you to choose a color palette, or you may also choose to upload a logo, and it will use the colors from that logo as your color palette. Next, choose here the pages and features you want to add to your blog. Then click on Build My Website down here. Last prompt is about choosing your preferred theme, and if you don't really like any of these three themes, you may choose to click on View More Themes down here. Next, after Odoo has generated your blog for you, you may start customizing it to your preference by clicking on Edit at the top right corner. This will open this right panel, which contains all the tools you can use for customizing your blog. Lastly, click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can make a blog website in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.